person that doesn't experiment a lot with my perfumes and fragrances, because if I love a fragrance, I will use it for the rest of my life. It smells like things in a bubble. No, I really
Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel Life Aajkal with Sanjana, and today I'm going to share with you some amazing products offered by two most trending and loved brands, that is Bath & Body Works and McAfee. Now there are a lot of other Bath & Body products that are available in the market that are good and less expensive, but if you are looking to invest in some feel-good products which make you feel like spa at home, and if you're crazy about fragrances like myself, then I think look no further, and you should definitely check out the collections offered by Bath & Body Works and McAfee, and watch this video till the end as I share with you my honest reviews about some of the products that I purchased. So I have a lot of products to share with you guys, so this is gonna be a long video, so just sit back and relax and grab some snacks while you watch. And I also have my coffee with me, which is half finished. So yes, without any further delay, let's get straight into the video. Now we'll first talk about Bath & Body Works, and since the time it has launched in India, I think it has become most loved brands for its Bath & Body products and its amazing home fragrances, and its fragrances are one of its kind, and it just feels so luxurious, and it uplifts your mood instantly and make you feel good about yourself. I'll leave the link to all the products with their prices in the description below. Also, all the items that I'm gonna show you today, I ordered them online. So let me talk about their delivery service. I think the delivery service is pretty good. My order arrived in like 3 to 4 days, and they have a very good packaging. Every item is bubble wrapped, so it's all good. If you're new to the brand, then I would recommend that you invest in their signature collections like Japanese Cherry Blossom, 1000 Wishes, and Warm Vanilla Sugar, and maybe there are like some more that I'm missing out right now, because their signature collections are their best selling, and they are loved by I think everyone. And whenever I happen to visit their online website or their physical store, it's so tempting. It's like I want to take home everything, because they have a massive collection and they keep adding new ones. And the most luring part is that they have always have offers going on, like
all body care at just $7.99, or buy 3 get 2, buy 2 get 1.
The first two items that I have belongs to their signature collection, and it's their 1000 Wishes moisturizing body wash, and this is like 24-hour ultra sheer body cream. 1000 Wishes collection has a smell of pink Prosecco, crystal peonies, and gilded amber, if I describe it in like simple words, it has a very sweet and musky smell. I'm not a fan of floral fragrances. My mom is. In just one shower, it leaves your skin like super hydrated, super soft, plump, and like super moisturized. And it says that it has it's a moisturizing body wash, and it is enriched with shea butter and cocoa butter. It lathers very well. If you want to have a bubbly like a bubble bath, then I think yes, you can definitely check out one of their body washes. So I love the collection so much that I also have like a 1000 Wishes body cream, and let me show you the consistency of this body cream. It has like a thick consistency, and
Oh god, it smells amazing.
so this is like my favorite fragrances, and I would recommend this to anyone who is looking to invest in Bath & Body Works, and definitely they can start with this. So the next fragrance that I have is also from their signature collection, and that is the Warm Vanilla Sugar. This is their shower gel, and this is the body lotion. So it has the notes of vanilla, and it's a warm fragrance, and if you love vanilla, you will definitely love this one. And I just love this fragrance. I have used it many times in past. And so let me show you the consistency of their body lotion. It is very lightweight, and it melts into your skin, and leaves it like super hydrated and moisturized. So I love the Warm Vanilla Sugar range so much that I also have a sanitizer from the similar range. It's a cleansing hand gel, and you can definitely use your regular sanitizer from Lifebuoy and Dettol, because this has a less alcohol content, so I don't know how well it works in killing the germs. The next two products that I have are loved by my parents. So my mom loves floral fragrances, so I keep ordering new ones for her. So yeah, this time I ordered shower gel for her from 1 in Million range, and it says that it has jasmine oil, tuberose extract, and cashmere musk, and leaves your skin feeling fresh and clean. And definitely it has shea butter and vitamin E and all good stuff for your skin. This one smells like jasmine. It has a floral fresh fragrance, and my mom loves it. The item that I ordered is for my papa. It's from the men's collection. It's the Atlantic 3-in-1 hair, face and body wash, and you know, it has like a very fresh and fresh fragrance, and it smells like men's perfume basically. And yeah, I mean, it says that it smells like coastal citrus, sea mist and clean woods, like basically all fresh stuff. And definitely, you know, it has like a high lather, and it also has vitamin E, shea butter, aloe, nourish and condition. The item that I have is again a body cream. It's the Dark Kiss 24-hour moisture cream, and again, I mean, this one is new. I have never tried this one before, but I have smelled it before, like before filming this video, and it smells like super sexy. I mean, you know, as the name of the cream suggests, it's like Dark Kiss. Yeah, like it's, you know, it smells like black raspberry, burgundy rose, dark vanilla bean, and again it's infused with ultra rich and moisturizing shea butter, aloe butter and cocoa butter. Fragrance is like super musky, sexy and fresh at the same time. So yeah, it's amazing, and as soon as I finish my 1000 Wishes body cream, I'm definitely gonna use this on a regular basis. Now Bath & Body Works also have a massive collection of body mist. This time I ordered a different body mist because I wanted to try something new, and I was really excited about it when I, you know, read about it on their website. So it's the Into the Night Diamond Shimmer Mist. So as you can see in the bottle, you know, the liquid has diamond dust infused in it. So yeah, I mean, it's you know, I was very excited to try this out. So, and the smell is amazing. If I don't know if you can see the glitter particles on my hand. So yeah, it has shimmer particles in it, and you know, I think it's a feel-good product. And I think if you are going out and you know, you want to apply shimmer on your body and you know, smell good at the same time, then I think you should definitely check out their shimmer mists. So one thing that I really liked about their shimmer mist is that they come in like a plastic bottle, so you're not worried if you know, drop it and break it. So yeah, that's one plus. My next item, Bath & Body Works has recently rolled out and expanded their aromatherapy collection with 6 exclusive blend of natural essential oils, and which is tailored to benefit your mind and body.
So I'm going to read out, you know, about the collection a little bit from the internet.
So it says that the aromatherapy collection addresses the 6 wellness benefits like stress, relief, sleep, happiness, comfort, focus and energy. And you know, the studies have actually shown that these you know, they actually work, the products actually work. So I happen to buy their moisturizing body oil, and you know, from it is like a stress relief, has extracts of eucalyptus and tea, and it's like a moisturizing body oil with natural essential oils with shea butter and argan oil. So it's very lightweight, quickly absorbs into your skin, and you know, leaves it moisturized. And I'm definitely gonna use this one on one of my spa days, and you know, to relieve my stress. And yeah. So for my next purchase, I ordered 2 home fragrances from Bath & Body Works. This is their 3-wick you know, candle, and it comes with a decorative lid, and one is in like strawberry pound cake and the other one is pumpkin apple. And I really love you know, my home to smell good, and I have used these you know, on Diwali. One thing I would like to mention about these candles is that they don't work very well in like larger places. It is meant for like smaller rooms. If you light them up in your bedroom, definitely your bedroom will be you know, filled with aroma. So this one is strawberry pound cake, and
oh guys,
it smells like a strawberry cheesecake, and you definitely would want to eat it. So yeah, I mean, it's amazing. So the next one I have is the pumpkin apple, and it took me a while to like this one because it has like a spicy and fruity fragrance, like a mix of spicy and a fruity fragrance. So this is definitely something very unique for me. I have never you know, came across this kind of a scent. So guys, one thing about these candles are they are a little expensive. I think the cost for one is 2300. They have a less expensive candles as well. But if you want to buy these candles and want to spend this much, then I would recommend that you wait for the offers. Like I got these one in buy one get one. So this way we spend like less price, and yeah, I got 2 candles for 2300. So yes guys, that were all the Bath & Body products that we had, and I like to rate them in on the basis of like 3 criteria. areas. One is quality, quantity and price. Quality wise, I would say that these products, all the products are super amazing. They are like almost all the products are enriched with shea butter, cocoa butter, vitamin E, which are all good for skin, and they leave the skin really nourished and moisturized, and they are like super hydrating. So for the quality, I would rate them 10 on 10. I think the products fulfills all the promises made by the brand. For quantity as well, I would like to rate them 9 out of 10 because a very little quantity is enough, and it does the job. So be it body washes, body cream. For the price, I would definitely agree that it's a little on the pricier side, because there are other good Bath and Body products in market that are good and less expensive. But if you love these fragrances, then I would recommend that you wait for the offers. Now let's talk about India's first caffeinated personal care brand, that is McCaffeine, and I have 4 products to share with you guys from this brand. And the first product is the McCaffeine Naked and Raw Coffee Body Scrub. I think it's the most hyped and loved product. It has like pure monsooned Arabica coffee, finely textured to gently exfoliate the skin. I think that's that's what the scrub is meant for. It removes the dead skin. It is cruelty free, SLS and paraben free, which is amazing. So let me show you how the body scrub comes. Like it comes in a glass jar and a wooden wooden spoon.
Take a good amount of scrub using a wooden spoon and apply it on your wet skin. Massage it in circular motions very gently, and yeah, just wash it off with water afterwards.
So I've used this one only once, and it was definitely a good experience. It's like you're having a coffee bath, and it definitely remove the, because it's a scrub, it definitely removes the dead skin and leaves your skin feeling super smooth and super soft. That I have is McCaffeine Naked and Raw Coffee Body Lotion, and it's lightweight and non-greasy gel lotion. Yes, I mean my mom uses it, and see, I mean it has like a coffee color, but it does not smell like coffee. It smells like it has a camphor in it, and it quickly gets absorbed into your skin, and the skin feels really hydrated. But I think one thing that I noticed about this product is that you have to like keep applying it like after 5 to 6 hours, because the moisturization does not last that long. Next item that I have is the McCaffeine Naked Raw Body Polishing Oil. This one says that it's a body polishing oil, and it polishes your skin while you moisturize. Coffee in the body oil reduces the cellulite and helps in cell regeneration. Rosehip soothes the skin and elevates stretch marks. Sweet almond oil nourishes the skin, and vitamin E softens the skin. Again, it comes in a glass bottle, and it has like a coffee beans floating. One thing that I liked about this one is that it comes with a pump. The only thing that I don't like is that it comes in a glass bottle. See, I've never tried this one before, and it smells like pure coffee. I mean, oh my god, it smells amazing. And definitely, I mean, I would love to use it, and it's very moisturizing, but I don't know how well it will work on stretch marks and cellulite reduction, so I'll definitely try it on and let you guys know. Last item that I have is my mom's favorite, and it's McCaffeine coffee hand cream. As you can see, my mom has used the entire tube of it. So this hand cream and this body lotion has like a similar fragrance. It has glycerine, almond oil, coffee extract, caramel. So while doing household chores, my mom's hands they come in contact with water more frequently, so they tend to get dry very easily and very often. So I just told her to try this this hand cream, and she really loved it. She applied it every night before sleeping, and yes, I mean it really worked wonders, and I'm definitely gonna purchase it again. So she even says that if you have like cracks in your hands, it even cures that. So yes, I mean, so full marks for this product, because this has been like trial and tested by none other than my mom. So yes, that's all we had for McAfee products as well, and I would say I haven't used their products for a longer time, except once for the body scrub, and it is really nice. My mom has used this one, and so like I would rate this 10 on 10 because it's amazing. Like on first impressions and like initial use, quality wise, I would say the products are really nice, and because the hand cream turned out to be like such a wonderful product. And next, quantity wise, I would say these quantity and price wise, I would say like they are in a medium range, not very like cheap or not very pricey. So yes, I mean you can definitely check them out. So yes guys, with this we have come to an end, and I hope I was able to help you shortlist some good Bath & Body products. And yes, let me know which fragrances from Bath & Body Works are your favorite in the comment section below, and I would love to try them out. Yeah, let me know if you have tried any of these products and how you like them or not like them. Also, thank you so much for showing so much love on my first video. It was overwhelming, and I'm gonna be soon doing the part 2 of the home decor series, so please stay tuned for that. Please like and share this video with your friends and family if you find this helpful. Also, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and don't forget to click the bell icon so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. Okay, bye.